Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. First of all, I'm sorry because I did not upload any videos last few days, and probably from the voice you can recognize that I have been suffering from cold and some fever for last few days. So I was not making any videos because if I talk I feel bad. But anyway, today is Sunday morning and I just want to make this video because I'm very excited for ticker symbol CFVI, which was up by 12.4% on Friday. Even after hour, another 12% up, so almost 25% up in Friday. And this is a stock we hopped on very early, I think from Wednesday. But anyway, if you do not know about this, that is why I'm making this video, so that you know this thing can run a lot on Monday. Many things can depend on the overall market. We know Friday was terrible, but still you see some of the stock, they move a lot because of some news. So in this particular video, I will talk about the news definitely, and also some Seeking Alpha, something they are talking about $40 price target, why the price went higher, what is the warrant, also what is the price action, support, resistance, and also a few other things. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I will talk about the price action, but if you see at the price action, you see it was around like $10, right? And with some news, it went higher on December 2nd, I guess, and 14.4. So that day we played this, then also we added some. It was moving sideways, and again you see Friday after like 12 p.m. it started going higher and higher. So we will talk about this. Also, some people were buying the warrant. It is also going in the same pattern. And most importantly, if you see the after hour moves, you see CFVI warrant, which is W, and CFVI both has huge number of change, 25% after hour, CFVI 12%. Also look at the volume, not a bad volume. I'll talk about the support, resistance, technical. I will come back, don't worry. But before that, let's look at something. So if you look at the volume, basically nothing was happening, so no volume, right? Then suddenly back to back 2 days of volume, you see a big spike, almost like 98 million volume. The next day is over 40 million volume. As long they are catching the volume, they will run. And if you just see Friday's volume, you can see that the volume was going up and down, but overall very nice volume, considering the Friday was really bad. And by the way, if you want to join my Discord for having like early news, support, resistance, alert for different day trading, swing trading, and option even, so give a try, join my Patreon so that you can get access to my Discord, so where you get all the alert, different plays from the members. So it doesn't cost a lot, $9 per month. Give a try. Anyway, if you don't have Discord, you are also welcome to join my YouTube community. Just clicking on YouTube community, you can get access to all of this. Anyway, let's look at the news. So first of all, the first news, why it jumped on December 1st, right? So the Rumble is a video platform to go public through, and so there will be this is a SPAC, right? CFVI is the SPAC, so there will be a merger, right? So tremendous growth from 1.6 million average monthly active users in Q3 to a record of 36 million average monthly active users in Q3. So in 1 year, you see it went from 1.6 to 36 million. Nice, tremendous growth. 44 million monthly active users, and so many things. So that was the news on December 1st. So just because of the news, from $10 it went higher, right? It went all the way to 14.4 with market. If this thing came down, never came back below $10. Any SPAC is always having maintained at $10. Then the thing, it started going higher, right? Because the other thing that on December 3rd came around noontime, right? So it's jumping because the talk of distribution deal with Trump, and we know what happened with last time. What was the news? Last time it was like DWAC, Foon, like you know the chart, right? I'll share the chart, but you know what is the thing. So that's the news came, right? So they, which agreed earlier this week to take ETF's competitor Rumble, rose 13% on a report that the former President Trump's Truth Social Media will pay Rumble for distribution and other services. I can confirm that they have an arrangement together where Truth Social is going to be paying Rumble to your distribution. So you can pause and you can read it. So maybe you know about the news already. So, and that was the thing, right? DWAC. So the news, right? And also if you go to Seeking Alpha, you can see they are giving a price target of 40 per share. Why? This is the news, and consider the enormous amount of growth Rumble is seeing. A potential price target of 40 per share is more than realistic. This is their opinion, right? But anyway, this is the thing. I do not want to read. If you want, you can go to Seeking Alpha, you can read by yourself, but that's the thing. In terms of the short interest, this is not a short squeeze play because the short interest is not very high. Look at the short borrow fee. These things are not very important, right? So now let's go back to the chart. CFVI, this is the chart, but before that I just want to show you TWAC because this is the Trump thing, and I'm going to a daily chart just to show you, because that was the spec, same thing, $10, right? From $10 this thing went all the way to $275 during market hours, then came down still at $45. So the former President Trump, any news related to him can affect the market really a lot. So that's one thing. Anyway, let's go back to CFVI. So that's a daily chart, big spike. So from a daily, I'm moving to a 15-minute chart. Yep. So that's the 15-minute chart, right? So look at the chart. First of all, we know it went all the way. So let's have a line here. The previous peak, all-time high, you can say. So that's what is the peak, 14.38. Then another peak around 14. Then it came down. It came down and it was bouncing around 10.85. But it couldn't break the 12 thing, right? So it came down all the way, maybe around 10.3. You can also see at some point it came close to 10. For any spec, 10 is the bottom. Before merger, you can claim for $10, very less risk. Then it started pumping, right, with the news. So it went over 10.3. It has a resistance around 10.85, went through 10.85, came down. See the red candle here? It bounced from 10.85, meaning that which was the previous resistance, now it has become new support. Then it went up. 12 was a prior resistance. It went up. You see it hit 12 few times. Then again it went up, bounced at 12, and then starting from 12 as a new support, it started going higher. So if you look after hour, what is the top? It found a top something around 13.14. Yes, it went few instant to 13.3, 13.5. I think after hour it went 13.5 something, right? It came down, but that's not the big thing. So this is what is happening. And normally when I use some moving average and EMA lines and everything. So as long it is moving and is staying over the purple line, that is what I'm using for trading, day trading mostly. You can see that it was bouncing off that particular line. So as long it comes down and bounce off that particular line, I'm happy with this. It might come back to 12.6, who knows, or even $12, we will see. But as long this thing is going up and the price is maintaining and honoring that particular line, I'm happy. So what you can do, this thing can really open over 13, 13.5 and fly. Don't forget the previous 14 and 14.4 resistance. On the other hand, I know today's Sunday, crypto market was crashing and the new virus variant is spreading. I don't know about the market, but if the market is terrible, this thing, who knows, might come back to 12, bounce from 12 and go up. It can happen, right? So that is the one thing. And I also noticed some people, they are also buying the warrant, and we always know warrant people love to buy because they are cheaper. So same thing, the same pattern, right? For the warrant, it went all the way to 5.5, came below around 1.9 or $2, and again from there it has been going higher. So the last time it got rejected around 4.4. So if it can go over 4.4, 4.5, I think it will go towards 5, 5.5, and so on. This is cheaper. Some people buy warrant because they can buy more. And if you look in terms of the percent change, you can see in the midday, let's say it was around $2, it went all the way to 4.4, which is like 138%. If you come back to the main stock, let's say it was around $10, it ended the day around 13.3, only 30% up. So there is percent gain difference between warrant and stock. And same thing, if you're playing with the options can also move very fast. So it's up to you how you're playing stock, option, or warrant. But anyway, I just want to show you they move in the same direction. So you can also buy warrant if you prefer. You can wait for these to come down to 3 if the market is bad. It's really hard to tell. That is why on our Discord we always update pre-market. We always update pre-market about the support, resistance, and what is happening, not only pre-market, during market hours. So if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give a try. Join my Patreon. Get access to my Discord. Only $9 per month. and let's make money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.